Hello, hi, this is my YouTube channel, WordPress Tutorial, WP Tutorials Dashboard. This is my content, total 5 videos. This is a monetization tab. This is our channel, WordPress Tutorials. Here is my YouTube channel link. This is my website I use in my video. This is our project. I made video using OBS Studio. You can check date and time in properties. I play this video one by one. Work on. Second video. Third video. Fourth video. And this is fifth video. Wi-Fi tutorial. In Notepad I can write you can also check property date and time. December 2, 2021. Okay. This is this website I use in my videos. Website login successfully. This is a dashboard. WordPress. How I can create video. I'm using this software OBS Studio using hotkey start, pause, stop. Once video is done, then I'm upload my video in my YouTube channel. This is my all original content and I have never downloaded any third party content. I made this video. Thank you.